Hi guys, and welcome back to another cleaning motivation. My name is Loise. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning back, I'm so grateful to have you here. So today I'll be doing laundry, then later we cook lunch. So please watch till the end because I have a tip at the end of the video for you guys. So I'm going to start with laundry, and let me take this chance to introduce this channel. It's all about cleaning, cooking and organizing, and I'm also going to add a little bit of weight loss. If such content interests you, please hit that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell to be notified of each and every video that I'll be posting. And I'm also grateful to each and every one of you who have been subscribing to this channel. I've seen growth and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you. May God elevate you all.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So over to my kitchen, I'm going to cook ugali, and first you have to let your water boil completely, and I'm using the portion meal flour.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really.
So now the tip to make the best portion meal maize flour ugali, it's making sure that you mix it completely. And take some time to mix it completely until the flour is mixed very well.
Matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Now after making sure that the flour is mixed very well, now I'm going to make it into a bowl. You don't leave it and come and mix it later. I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn it later.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well.
So this is what you do. You take your ugali and turn it upside down to make sure that it's cooked evenly. And here you are cooking it on very low flame. So immediately after cooking the ugali, you make sure you clean your cooking stick to make sure it doesn't stick, and to also have clean utensils at the end of cooking.
I know that you're right.
So while the ugali is cooking, I'm going to go to my next dish, and I'm going to be making the egg omelette.
But you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. alone, I will remember you're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. But you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Again, another tip of having the sweetest greens is letting your onions to cook till golden brown.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
That's all I had in store for you guys. If you love and enjoy my content, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell to be notified of my next video. Also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and I will appreciate. Bye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.